YouTube channel. It's your girl Angela Michelle here, and in today's video I will be going furniture shopping with my sister. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna be really nice. Let me get a close-up of it. That's nice. What we got from Bed Bath & Beyond was just a welcome mat for our front door. And also I had went ahead and got some hair dye with natural blue black. And then also soft black, you guys. So when I do this dye of my hair, I'm gonna do a video, so you guys stay tuned. I like it. It's really nice. The coaster, yeah. Comfortable. How you feel? Here you go. Sorry I didn't do your favorite today.
It's okay. Not too picky.
Okay, let me just put it down. First of all, you look amazing. Check the outfit, y'all. The designer. Let's get a close-up.
Got the rings.
Yes. Yes. Oh, this one is way better.